Hey, welcome to M Puzzles and Builds. It's time to do another 2000 piece jigsaw. This one is the last of the 4 jigsaws that I've been given a shot of from a friend. The Clementoni 2000 piece Leopard jigsaw. That's pretty stunning, isn't it? I'm really looking forward to this. I know it's going to be quite challenging because there's a lot of green in it and a lot of leopard in it. One thing I am glad of, there's only one, because when I had that one with the tigers in the jungle, that was quite difficult. So hopefully this is not too bad, and they're pretty different colours, so it should be not too bad to discern them, hopefully. But this is definitely going to be a challenge, and it's going to take quite a while to do. So I think we should just get started. Let's go. Here we are, 1 hour 40 minutes in. I've sorted piles. Here's all the edges and corner pieces. Here's some really bright looking pieces. This is all the green pieces. These are all the pieces that are mostly like really dark. These are the obvious leopard pieces. These are the kind of more miscellaneous ones, and these are the ones that are like the detritus, kind of leaflettery looking ones. But we've finally got there. 1 hour 40 minutes isn't too bad. Now the fun can begin, and I'm going to build this. I'm going to take away the ones that are on the trays, build the edges, I'll push these into the middle, and then try and do the leopard last, because I think that'll be quite a fun little finale to it. But we'll see how it goes. If I get really fed up with the green, then I might just start doing the leopard earlier. We'll see. But let's go. Stop recording. Right, here we are. Second update, first update like this. 7 hours and 5 minutes in. So much progress. Sarcasm aside, there is a reasonable amount of progress, especially along the bottom. I'm getting most of the reflection stuff done out of the way right now, and it feels like that's getting there. Not too much more pieces out of that to do. Then it's going to get a lot more challenging, so unless I choose to do the Leopard, I might struggle for the next while. Things might slow down in the progress, but I need to get going because I need to get this video sorted for you guys. If I run out of time, there will be a video before this one. I'll throw something together with another 500 piece jigsaw that I've got, because I can do one of those in 3 hours, or between 3 and 8 hours depending on how difficult it is. But I'm really, actually, now that I'm getting a bit of momentum on this, I'm really enjoying it. The Leopard along the bottom is, like, when I was first putting that together, I couldn't really tell what it was until I looked back at the footage, and then I was like, oh my god, it looks so nice. And that's just the reflection. Once I get the main one in there, it's going to be amazing. That's why I'm trying to leave it till last. And right now I don't have much more to say, so let's move on. Hello. First big update, I'll say. We are 11 hours and almost 20 minutes in, and we're maybe about a fifth of the way done. This is going to be a challenging one. I have thought that was going to be the case. Realistic jigsaws tend to be quite a bit more difficult than the cartoony ones because of the way that colors like merge together a bit better. Well, not better, but clearer. But yeah, this is really going to be a beautiful one once it's all done. I'm very excited to see what the final result is, but I'm going to have to trust the process and get there. So let's just get on with it and not dilly dally too long. Let's go. it's time for the next update. We are getting quite close to 20 hours, 18 hours 48 minutes in, and progress, some progress, not a massive amount. I kind of wish it would be more. There's been quite a few bits I'm getting really stuck on, so as you notice from the picture and the video, I've started working on this corner. Now I've decided for the next part I'm going to try and get all the dark bits out of the way, because I think by doing that I'll reduce how many other parts are left. I'm just trying to figure out ways to minimise the difficulty progressing now, because I need to get this finished so that you guys have a video to watch. I've already had to delay this once, I don't want to have to delay it again. So, I'm not going to waste any more time, let's just get right into this. Let's go. Hey, here we are, 25 hours and 17 minutes in, which is a hell of a lot of time for this amount of progress. This has been a really difficult jigsaw so far. I'm enjoying it. I'm really loving when I look back at a distance and see how it's looking. But I wish I was slightly further ahead, or at least much further ahead time-wise. Not time-wise, progress-wise for the time. Unfortunately, I'm running out of time, so this is going to be part 1. I plan that next week will be part 2, the finale, where we assemble the rest of it, and I hope that it takes 10 hours or roundabout, maybe less, maybe more, but hopefully not too much more, even though I don't even think I'm halfway through. I could be, it's hard to tell, but there's, like, as I get further, the number of pieces will reduce, so it should become easier to do the closer I get to the end. I still want to do the Leopard last, so I am making this harder on myself. I possibly could have gotten further if I decided to just get the Leopard out of the way, but I think it'll be nicer to just have that last. So the plan is, this will be this video, the next video, the finale, next week, and on the Wednesday after that, it's going to be just a time lapse of the whole completion of the jigsaw without these parts. I hope you guys are okay with this. I know that I've already had to delay this video one time due to like being busy and getting distracted with things, but I'm still making content. I'm still making these videos for you guys. So thanks so much if you're still enjoying my content, and I'm going to keep doing it. What I'm going to do is, for the next big 2000 piece jigsaw, is I'm going to make sure that I've got a far greater amount of backlogs, so that if there's so many distractions and things that come up, I should still be able to get it done regardless of how long it takes. Even if it's 40 or 50 hours. 60. It better not take 60 hours to do a 2000 piece jigsaw, otherwise I will cry. I could probably test out every individual piece connection and do it in a quicker time than that with the 2000 piece jigsaw. But yeah, this will be this one, and I'll see you in the next episode where we finish it. See you later.